Having leftover rice at home? Do not worry anymore, as I have come up with an amazing instant breakfast idea which is super delicious. And the brownie point is that it is without oil. Hi guys, welcome to Vidya Cooking Diary. Today let's see how to make the Karnataka specialty akki roti from leftover rice. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the rice which I'll be using to make these akki rotis. What I've done is the previous night I had soaked it in water. Now I'll get rid of this water and will make a smooth paste of this rice. I'll be doing it with the help of a mixie jar today. However, if you are comfortable, you can use a glass and mash the rice also. But I prefer to do it this way. So I'm transferring all the matta rice, or which is also called as red boiled rice, to the mixie jar. You can also use the leftover white rice in place of this rice. It works equally well. Now I shall grind this into smooth paste without adding any water. So the batter is ready. You can see small tiny bits of rice here and there, which is absolutely fine. So now let's transfer all of this into a bowl. It's very sticky right now. Let's take it all. Now to this I'll be adding about 1 tablespoon of table salt. And let's add about 1 cup of rice flour. Now using your hands, let's bring all this batter together and make a smooth dough. As you have noticed, I have not added any water. No water needs to be added at any stage to make this akki roti. Adding the cooked rice makes this akki roti really soft and amazing. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the entire batter to become a dough. It's very easy guys, you don't need to put lot of pressure and no too much work. And with these very simple and basic ingredients, you can make an akki roti. Okay, it's all ready guys. Let's start making the akki roti. So today I'll be making the akki roti by using this banana leaf. However, you can also do the akki roti with the help of a parchment paper, or you can use the cloth method, which I have already shown in my Dil Leaves akki roti YouTube video. So you can refer to that to know how to make akki roti using a cloth. So I have washed this banana leaves really well. Now I am cutting it into equal size pieces. I want 2 equal size pieces to make the akki roti. So like this, let's make all the banana leaves ready. Just fold it into equal size and just press it this way. And it's so easy guys, so simple. And because of using the banana leaf, you don't have to use any oil in this recipe. Isn't that amazing? Banana leaves have a flavorful waxy coating that melts when heated, thus lending a unique taste to this akki roti. I just love how it tastes when the banana leaves is used for making akki roti. My mom makes this every time and I just love it. Now I'll take the batter in my hand. I'll make it a small round like this, and I'll just keep it over one of the banana leaves. And using another equal size banana leaf, I'll place it over it and I'll press it lightly. And now using a plate like this, I'll press it down completely so that I get a nice round roti. So this is ready. Similarly, I will make all other akki rotis. Take a handful of batter, press it down lightly. Using the shinier side on the down, I'll press it lightly, and with the help of a plate, I'll press it down. And it's all ready guys. Wasn't that simple? So let's go and make the akki rotis now, for which I have taken an iron skillet here, which is warm enough now. Now without adding any oil, I'll be directly placing this banana leaf over it. Turning the flame to medium, I shall cover this and cook it for about 30 seconds. You can see that steam is being created. It's about 30 seconds now. So let's open and check it. Okay. Let's turn it around. This is perfectly cooked. The banana leaf is coming out easily. So let's cook for about another 30 seconds on the other side too. It's smelling amazing, guys. You should definitely try this. See, so easily the banana leaf is coming out of the akki roti. And it's perfectly cooked. Let's get rid of the banana leaves. And your akki roti is all ready. Look how beautiful it looks. Adding the matta rice gives it a unique color indeed. Now similarly, let's make all other akki rotis. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So all my akki rotis are done and ready. I am going to have it with a very delicious sambar today. However, a nice spicy chutney also is a great combination. Few people like to have it with butter also. Thank you for watching, guys.